was 7.
So?
You said I should have hooked up with him. I was 7. Number 15. How was I in school?
You were in school.
Yeah.
That explains it.
A lot of people go to school.
Why? Are they learning art?
Sometimes.
That's what you need to do. Did you learn art?
No.
Oh.
I learned math.
What?
Math.
That number thing?
Yes, that number thing.
The numbers are only good for keeping the beat. One, two, three, four. Get it?
Mm-hmm. And let's see, try to count past 8.
What number are we on?
You tell me.
8?
No. Past that.
Oh, all right. We're making progress.
Okay, final question.
Yeah!
What would you change if you could raise me again?
We've already answered these questions. Take you out of school, change your name to Madonna, make you a roadie, and drink a lot. Lots of parties. Didn't we already discuss this?
Just making sure, just verifying that that's your answer.
Concert, Suicide of Cups, St. Louis, Missouri, June 28th. Be there. Yeah! You going? Free ticket. I'll give you a free ticket. Backstage pass. Party it up. Invite Jerry Cantrell's son. Yeah!
Have you guys even released an album?
What are you talking about?
Have you guys released an album?
I don't know, you have to talk to my manager about that kind of stuff.
Okay. Well, that was the dad tag.
Yeah! I'm Guts!
That's my dad. And I'm not really sure what to say. Anything else you would like to add, Dad?
Change your name to Madonna.
You said this.
Marry Jerry Cantrell's son.
You said this.
Yeah. Well, why are you listening?
Is there anything that you would like to say to the people out there?
June 28th, concert, St. Louis, Missouri. Be there! Yeah!
Anything that you would like to say that you haven't said already?
Love my fans! More than the 30 that you got. By a lot. See, what does that writing get you? 30 fans.
Okay.
Okay. They teach you that in school? Okay. What is okay? Never heard that word. Is it Chinese? Japanese?
Yeah, that's what it is.
Alright.
Okay, so that was the dad tag. That's
Yeah! I'm Guts!
my dad. I'm Kendra Hefner. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel.
Yes, please! All millions of you!
I post 2 new videos every week. And as always, I will see you next time.
Bye! Yeah!
Bye!
What was that?
That's me saying,
Hey!
I was going to say goodbye. That's how to say bye.
Well, try it this way. Try it. Just once. Just try it. Can you try it for me? Yeah! Come on, try it.
No.
Please? Don't be like her.